The ThinBorne Aramid fiber case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands as a testament to sophisticated protection, masterfully balancing premium materials with practical functionality. At its core, the case features elite 600D aramid fiber construction, which not only provides robust protection, but also delivers an understated elegance that perfectly complements the phone's premium design. What truly sets this case apart is its thoughtful integration of modern charging technology. The built-in magnetic ring ensures seamless compatibility with magnetic safe charging, though it's worth noting that you'll want to stick to mag-safe stand chargers or flat charging pads for optimal performance. This attention to charging compatibility demonstrates ThinBorne's commitment to both protection and practicality. The case's design philosophy embraces minimalism without compromising functionality. Unlike bulkier alternatives, this case maintains the S25 Ultra's sleek profile while still offering substantial protection. The matte carbon fiber texture isn't just about aesthetics, it provides an enhanced grip that significantly reduces the risk of accidental drops, a crucial feature for a phone of this size and value. However, what truly impresses is how the case manages to incorporate all these features while maintaining a lightweight profile. The textured finish adds a touch of luxury that makes the case feel more premium than its price point might suggest. While the case excels in most areas, it's important to note the charging compatibility limitations. But for users who prioritize a slim profile, premium materials, and reliable protection, the ThinBorne Aramid fiber case represents an excellent choice for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a case that proves you don't have to choose between style and substance.